Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Anne's Amazing Adventures. Please like and subscribe. Share it if you know of somebody that's interested. I have a small Temu haul, and I have this beautiful sweater. I just love it. You've probably all seen it on Temu. It's got the kind of I'll just get up here if I can back up and show you. Yeah, it's kind of got the crossover, and I quite like it. In the back, it's got the black and gray as well. So I really like it. Plus this extra little detail of the lace up top. I think that's really cute. It's laying over now, but even when it lays over, it still it just adds a little bit to it, I think. When that gets old and tired, I'll just cut it off. All right, so this haul has got a mixture of things. This is a little coat that I ordered for Henry. He's got a big winter coat, but he needs something that he can go out in this time of year. It's quite chilly here. It's 57 this afternoon, so that's not too bad. But it has been quite chilly, like 34 this morning when I got up. So this has got the little halter built right in. And yeah, it looks quite cute. It's got like a soft fleecy lining in it. It's got this catch like that. And then the zipper usually is on the bottom, but this one's on the back. That's why I thought it'd be kind of nice, a lot nicer for him. And then of course it's got the shorter around his chest so that he doesn't pee all over it. But yeah, it's quite pretty. I think it's nice, kind of a dusty blue. So, and it says new pet fashions. And I can't remember how much I paid for it. So, I'm not sure. But there's that. And then I do a lot of diamond painting. I should show you the two that I've just finished. Quite a few of them are for gifts, and I'm trying to get them done so that they'll be ready for Christmas because I can frame them myself. You've seen this one. This is the lighthouse on the rocks. I think it's very pretty. It turned out quite nice. I'm waiting on I ordered some sealer to paint over top of all my diamond paintings so the the gems don't fall out. And then here's the one I just finished off. So that's a very pretty one as well. So I just have to make some frames for them after I get the seal in. I ordered two bottles of it from Temu, of course. These are the two new ones I got in. It's a Indian princess with a wolf on there. And this one, I can't wait to do this one, and I don't know where the picture went on this one. But what it is one of the native dancers. So I will get that done up and I will show it to you when I'm finished. So that's two that I have to do. Plus I have a ribbon skirt over there on my sewing machine, if you can see the sewing machine. So I'm keeping myself busy. This is my bad month, and it was really bad this year. I got news that one of my younger friends passed away on Thursday. So last Wednesday was when my uncle passed away. Then last Thursday was my special young friend that I've helped a few times through her life and mine. Yeah, I've known her since birth, actually. And then, of course, on Sunday was my son's death day. So it was a rough time this month. So anyways, I got this kit for my diamond paintings. And I like these. You put these right on top of your stylus so that your fingers don't get so sore trying to hang on to the darn thing so that it doesn't. And then this one you can, this end you can put quite a few of the stones in there at once. They've got them all like that. One's that one, and then a clear, and then a smaller one. So that's 4 different stylus plus the regular ends on them. A set of tweezers, which is good when you're when you got the shakes like me. This diamond painting sometimes doesn't work so well. This, I would imagine, is to scrape down or smooth it down, but I have a roller that I use on mine. And then they sent some wax. There's all these are separate, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10 of those of wax, and not sure what these are, is little stickers. Probably because they sent me these little baggies to put your leftover gems in. I have a little tray somewhere. I'm just not sure where it's at, but I know I have one. And then 2 little, this is nice because it's got the little spout. You can pour your unused ones. And just a regular little tray. So those will be nice because my wax is starting to lose its touch. I guess you call that. Yeah, it doesn't wax up my stylus enough to hold my diamonds on, but I've been using it for quite a while, and it's just one little square, not a big one. So yeah, so that'll be handy. So there's that. And then I wanted some eyelid tapes, as my eyelids are getting so crappy again. And yes, one of these days I will do another makeup video, but not right yet because I'm too shaky. I'm really shaky lately, so I've gone off most of my narcotic meds. So, and then I ordered these. These are glasses, reading glasses is what they are. And they're 250 strength, but I got 8 pair, I think 8 or 10 pairs. But yeah, there's something like that. But they're all different colors. These ones are the nice little, I would say they're like a toffee brown or a tea brown, tea or coffee. This one is a black one. So there's 2 of each in here. I didn't realize that. I thought they were all different, but that's okay. Because I go through these things like I'm horrible at trying to keep them. That one's like a gray one. So one of these are blue. This one I think is blue. Yeah, it's blue. And they have these nice little arms on them. They got a pattern on the arms. And then, of course, there was a purple one. And that's the arms on those. So that'll be nice because I do lots of reading and I need these for when I'm doing diamond painting and also when I'm sewing the ribbons on my skirts. I need them. And I may start making skirts to sell. They won't be as high priced as what the real pearls do. But yeah, I'm thinking I might make a few and sell them. And then I got a couple of pairs of earrings. These ones I think are so cute. Hopefully you can see them around that sticker. They're like little reindeers with a pearl on them. And they're silver on the top. Aren't those cute? I think they're just so cute. That'd be nice when I have my hair up. See, my hair is down today. It's usually up because it's at that stage for me. If I don't curl it, it just looks like crap. And then I got another pair of earrings, and these ones I'm quite excited about. They're like a diamond, like the shape of a diamond. I can get them open. But I did go up to the house on Monday, was our Thanksgiving here. So I did go up to the house. They invited me up to have Thanksgiving dinner. So I did go up and have turkey. So that was nice. Because, yeah, I really don't do much for our Thanksgiving at all. Mainly because it's the day of my son's death. So, but anyways, what these are, and they got little long things on here. You put the little one, this little one here, through your ear, and you put it into the back, into this one, and that makes your earring. Isn't that cute? I just think they're so sweet. And so I can't wait to wear them. I think they're so cute. If I could get them into my ears, hopefully I'll be able to. These shakes are pretty bad. Like, I just about give myself a black eye when I put makeup on nowadays, so I don't do it much. And then I ordered some bracelets. There's the opening on it. Right there. I think. These are like little boho bracelets. I don't know. They're not all together. They're all separate. Oh, that's cool. So I don't have to wear them all at the same time, but it's got the turquoise with bowl and a feather, like a skull feather and a cowboy boot, and then a silver beaded one. This one's like a colored wood one. This is a brown one with the concho on it with turquoise. You know me and my turquoise. Aren't those are pretty? Very pretty. And they're just stretch bracelets, and I think I paid a couple bucks for them. But there they are on. I really like them. I like them. You know, the sweater, it's quite soft. It's very comfy. So it's really nice to wear. And this time of year, I like to be warm because I get a chill and then I don't warm up for the rest of the season. So I've been dressing properly this year, putting layers on. This is another bracelet set I got, and I think these ones are 3 something. These ones are all, I imagine they're just PVC, but I thought they were pretty cool because it looks like they're all leather. I don't imagine they are, but sorry, dropped them on the floor. So, and I needed something for on top of my new couch that I'm sitting on. So there's one of them. There's another one with the feather and the turquoise. There's another little one. There's a brown and beads on those ones. And here's another one with just the silver concho on them. They're very pretty. Very natural looking. But yeah, they're not leather. but I think they're nice. I like them anyway. I think they'll look very nice when I have different clothes on, where I'm trying to disguise my arms. That's a big thing with me, is disguising those arms. But I have gone off most of my heart pills as well. I'm still on my cholesterol, but I'm not on my blood thinners anymore because my arms were, this arm was the worst, where it's got so many little bruises and everything, where the blood vessels pop out on my arms. It's horrible. And I had to go in for a CT scan last week, and there's now it's 2 weeks ago. And now it's just finally starting where they shoot the dye into me. It was so black and blue just till the other day. Yesterday it was still fairly black. And yeah, it was awful. It hurt. I've never had an IV put in that far up on my arm. And then I just picked up a few glue-on nails because I can't afford to go and get my nails done, but I can't polish my own nails anymore. I've tried and tried, and I just give up. So I ordered some press-on ones, and I'll just, they're not quite the same color. Pretty close. One's more yellowy than this one's a little more of a neutral tone, or like a pinky. This has got a little more orange into it, but those will work. So that's everything for now, and I am sorry that this video's late, but I've got it done. I can't get my computer to work again. For some reason, my screen won't come up, and I can't get into my camera on the computer. So I'm doing this one on my iPad. And yeah, so that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a blessed day, everyone. God be with you, and ciao for now.